One of the biggest arguments seems to be about pre-existing conditions. Many Republican leaders saying people are covered. Democratic leaders saying they're not. NBC Charlotte's Brooke Katz sent out to verify what the American Health Care Act actually says about pre-existing conditions. Brooke.
Just a quick Google search shows you just how many articles are floating around out there about this health care bill, specifically about pre-existing conditions. So here's what we found.
This is a repeal and a replace.
In the newest version of Trump Care, insurers still can't deny coverage to someone because of a pre-existing condition, but it provides fewer protections than Obamacare. We dug into the bill and found states could get a waiver that would allow insurance companies to charge higher prices for people with pre-existing conditions in certain cases where people have not maintained continuous coverage. That is defined as a 63-day lapse in the previous 12 months. To get a waiver, a state must provide evidence of another way of helping people who are already sick. Republicans, including North Carolina Congressman Robert Pittenger, say the bill will lower premiums because Americans will now be able to choose coverage across state lines.
We're going to have a more competitive market that's going to enable them to buy more cost-effective insurance.
But Democrats are warning people could lose coverage.
Break it, you own it. And anyone that loses their health care as a result of this will blame Republicans.
One thing we know for sure, the bill is still a long way from the president's desk and is likely to change once it hits the Senate.
The new bill would give federal money to states to help with those high-risk patients, but critics say it's simply not enough. Brooke Katz, NBC Charlotte.
Well, a man who exposed himself at a busy Gastonia store remains on the loose.
Police say it happened Thursday in broad daylight. The same week, another man